There we go. Check. Will you guys be blanking my face out?
Yeah.
Will you guys at least change my voice to sound like really manly?
We'll do something to it.
Okay.
So what was the point of that scene? It reminded me a lot of the movie Drive, actually. Probably the second best movie short film I've watched today. I like how they're in like Russian tracksuits or something. I hate watching films when they try to be funny and it's not. That guy is terrible. He looks very ugly. Am I the only judge?
Yeah.
Really? How did he do that? Did he actually do that? Is he actually doing that? The one guy with the hat that was too small for his head looked like he really had some chapped lips. Is that Leonardo DiCaprio there? This one's like really taking the cake so far. Whoa, that's pretty badass. I'd like keep an eye on that kid when he grows up to be like. He's the murderer for sure. I'd probably compare it next to my first favorite film of all time, which is Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. They had a lot of pretty girls in there. I like it, when they have good-looking girls, and I liked it when they had Barack Obama. This is very elvish. It's a tad bit nipply in there. The old lady clown twins under the sea. No, it's just like when they were in the womb. They were twins in the womb, fighting for space in the womb. Now they're trying to kill each other. Ew. What the frick? Oh, I get it. So we're going through like the primary colors kind of thing, right? White, blue, and red. This is very distressing. I mean, the one twin is a little bit better than the other one, though. I'm not going to say which one, but I think it's pretty obvious to everyone. All right, well, thank you. I am the judge. My name is Brett Jolliffe, and yeah, I give myself a 3.5 out of 3.5.